Dracaena grows well in the water. You can easily propagate them in water. Put some pebbles to decor and you will see the update of this plant stems. Now look at this. They are well rooting in water. So propagate Dracaena plants, any variety in water. Put them in a see-through glass jar so that you will see the update really very clearly. Friends, this is tea fertilizer and this is an ideal organic fertilizer for Dracaena plants or whatever the house plants that you have commonly. So you can add them to the plant. Both powder form and liquid form are ideal for these plants. You can use the liquid form especially during the warm weathers. So this is ideal because they are high in nitrogen. So use organic fertilizer for your house plants. Now you can see I have tied this up. All the stems, bamboo stems, I have tied up. So now I am using this fertilizer. You can just simply add them to the roots. This makes a great fertilizer since they are high in nitrogen. Dracaena plant varieties. These plants are very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent plants. And also these Dracaena varieties are easy to grow beginner gardeners plants, and there are many varieties of them. You can grow them with stem cuttings. Simply dip it inside any planter, any size of planter, and this is one of the very easy to grow plants and also shade loving plants. So today I will be sharing with you some of the care tips of growing Dracaena plants. So when you bring a Dracaena plant from a nursery, make sure you keep it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. It should be indirect bright sunlight that also will be tolerable by these beautiful Dracaena plants. So friends, once you get it from a friend of yours or from a nursery, make sure the location should be medium to bright indirect sunlight area. This is another variety of Dracaena, very decorative and elegant looking. This is another beautiful variety and this is in a large planter. Lucky bamboo plants, they also belong to the family of Dracaena. You can grow them with stem cuttings, and this is another plant for your home entrance, or else you can keep them as indoor plants because they are shade loving plants. So Dracaena plants easy to grow from stems, and also you need well draining soil. So take 1/3 of garden soil, 1/3 of cocoa peat and sand. So that is the mixture of the soil. Make sure the plant having a good drainage hole, and also when talking about watering, you need to wait until the water of the top layer of the soil gets dried out. So don't pour over and over water. Let the water to dry out, and after that you can check the soil and water these beautiful Dracaena plants. And here I am using quick tea fertilizer for my plants. So that's really very good. So time to time giving fertilizer for your house plants also very beneficial, friends. So especially for Dracaena.